Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo pasta creamy. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. These high-quality components are the foundation for a truly rich and smooth sauce. Remember to cook your pasta until it's just al dente, ensuring a perfect texture that holds up to the creamy sauce. Now, let's build that luscious sauce. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, slowly whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, but be careful not to let it boil. Boiling can cause the cream to break, resulting in a less smooth sauce. Maintain a consistent, low heat for optimal creaminess. This step is crucial for achieving that silky, smooth consistency. Remove your skillet from the heat before adding the cheese. Gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and incorporated. If the sauce seems too thick, add about 1/4 cup of reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time. This starchy water helps to emulsify the sauce, making it incredibly creamy and clingy. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your freshly cooked, al dente pasta directly into the creamy Alfredo sauce. Toss gently to ensure every strand is coated in that rich, velvety goodness. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley and a sprinkle of additional Parmesan cheese. Serve your delicious, creamy Alfredo pasta immediately to savor its warmth and perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.